Hello everyone, this is Sachin Bhutani and I would like to welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So as you can see on my screen, this is my website websudasa.com, where I provide SEO training as well as I also provide SEO services to some of my clients from US, UK and Australia. So but moreover I do in this through this website is I write all about SEO and SEM on my blog, which is websudasa.com/blog, and I provide SEO training. So as you can see, just see below, these are my SEO training module. Basic information, it's divided into 8 steps: basic information, research and analysis, on-page activities, site analysis, content development, off-page optimization activities, basic information of blogging and reporting. This is what eight modules. These are the 8 modules which I have personally developed, and I give training on these as per these modules. But also what I was doing is, I was from last few months I was also planning to provide this course online, so that if you are not from my nearby cities, you can also join my course through online as well. And for that, I have written my own, I was starting it with publishing my own SEO ebook. I have written these some of the documents here in my SEO. If you can see this, then really good. These are some of the pages which I have personally written, and I would like to share it with all my students and as well as the people who will show interest in my SEO training. So what I am going to do is, I was planning to publish this book very soon, but suddenly last few days, what I have seen is, I found an interesting website called SEO Enigma, and they are also into. Let me just show you something about their website. Here it is. This is SEO Enigma, as you can see on my screen. So what they do is, they also provide the step-by-step SEO education, and to start with, they have on their they have their 8-10 modules ebook. And what I thought is, let's see what kind of information they provide. So I just bought this course, SEO Enigma. Let me just show you their modules. These are the modules, as you can see in this course. Info, first they have info, module 1, module 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 modules they provide. I bought this course 2 days back. So what I have seen is, I found really amazing and really good information, everything all about which I was personally writing, and I usually talk about in my SEO training classes. I found everything. So now what my goal is, I am not going to publish my own book, because what I have seen, I have found everything in their training session. So what I am going to do is, if you are looking for an SEO training program, then simply watch this course, SEO Enigma. If you want, then click the link below in description, you will find, and it will take you to the direct landing page where you can learn more about this SEO training program. And believe me guys, this is one of the best SEO training program I have ever seen. Within this information, I think there are around 150 pages in these 9 modules, and you are going to get each and every single information through this course, SEO Enigma. I personally do training, and these are the modules, as you can see on my screen, I usually talk about, and I have found everything in details. So I have saved lots of my time. I was also planning to publish my book, but after this course, I don't think so. I do need to publish any book, because there is nothing, even a single mistake I have found on in this course. I have seen everything is written very good, very professionally, and this is in. When I bought this course, it was just $9.95, but I have seen that the pricing are increasing every day. So if you are looking for an online SEO training course, then this is one of the best recommendation I am giving you. If you think that yes, you believe me, and you are looking for an SEO course, then just stop your search here only and buy this course today. So and yes, if you need any other information related to SEO or internet marketing, just join my YouTube channel. I will keep sharing some of the best information, tools, everything with you all, so that you can get all helpful information which through my experience. So that's it guys, for watching this video, and thank you very much.